U.S. has cleared a deal to acquire 53 Mk-54 Mod 0 lightweight torpedoes for the Indian Navy's MH-60R Seahawk helicopters, with estimated deal of $175 million. The Mk-54 Mod 0 lightweight torpedoes are modern weapon system designed for anti-submarine warfare, equipped with turbine engine providing maximum speed of approximately 28 knots, allowing them to reach their targets quickly and efficiently. France will deliver upgraded Mirage 2005F fighter jets to Ukraine in the first quarter of 2025. The fighter jets will be modernized for air-to-ground weapons and receive advanced electronic warfare systems prior to shipment. The Russian Army has received a batch of new BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicles and BMD-4M airborne fighting vehicles. The delivered combat vehicles are equipped with additional protection kits, including armor reinforcement and mounted slat armor providing protection from attacks by strike drones and also cover the sides from damage by shaped charge munitions. In response to the evolving battlefield tactics, China has started equipping its armored vehicles with anti-drone cope cages to defend against drone attacks. The images revealed that these cope cages were installed on Type 15 tanks during a high-altitude combined arms exercise in the Western Theater Command.